Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Razak at CMTrading. Today is December 24th, 2021, and today is Friday morning. So looking at the highlights of the day, Bitcoin breaking higher, finally breaking from that route. Now, tomorrow is Christmas Day. So those of you that are celebrating, happy holidays to you and your families. So just be aware, the markets will be affected. There will be lighter volume expected today. There is no major economic event scheduled for today. So as we look at the various markets, starting out with the Forex bear, volume pretty much tapering off as the markets are anticipating the holiday season already. Now looking at the indices, the Dow Jones and the NASDAQ continued to climb yesterday, and we're going to take a look at that in commodities. Gold pretty much steady above 1800, but still in a very tight range. Oil lifting higher above its resistance, and looking at the stocks, Tesla continue to rally as we mentioned that yesterday. And lastly, looking at Bitcoin, as mentioned, breaking above. So let's take a look at the markets and see what we can expect from today's trading. So here we go. We're just showing this for purposes of illustration, no other purpose but besides that, because I want you to see how tight this market is. I mean, look at that. We have been in a 10 pip range, 10 to 15 pip range over the last 24 hours. So really not doing, okay? Watching paint dry is more exciting. Now looking at the USD Rand, look at that. We're breaking a lower here at 1560. This is important, okay? This is not a major area, but it is breaking lower and breaking that moving average on the 4-hour. And looking at the daily, we're seeing that actually correct itself as well. So just keep that in mind here as we're looking at that. Now looking at the commodities, gold trading at 1808, nothing doing here above its moving average on the 4 and the day moving. So that is an important element right there, 1805. So, you know, this can continue on the upside, but we do have a minor resistance area right here. Now looking at crude oil, trading at 73.70 right now as it's gained some of its level. Now looking at the big board, the Dow Jones trading at 35,850 right now, and you can see that we are pretty much tapering off here as it hit that high of 35,900, almost making it back to that 36,000. So we still have some room to gain on the upside as we enter the balance of the year. Looking at the NASDAQ, also pushed it higher and pushed it higher nicely. Now the stock that took us the highest was Tesla. Okay, Tesla was the one that really pushed higher. We're trading from 892 up to 1066. That's over 200 to 400 points, excuse me, 300 points of a rally right there, okay? So a decent rally there for Tesla, and it looks like it's getting to that top of that range. So we may see some tapering off there later today. Just keep this in mind. The markets are tapering off with lighter volumes. So just be aware of it and just imagine that you know, next week is going to be the last week of 2021, so we'll see how that actually pans out still. Now, lastly, looking at Bitcoin, Bitcoin here pushing ahead here at 51,025 above 50K. Now, that was the element that I wanted to hit. Now we are at that second resistance line at 51,326. So if we pounce above it, we could hit to the 56,000 back in the game plan. Okay, so that is something to look forward to. But just a reminder, this is the quietest week of the year to trade. So keep that in mind. It's very light trading. There could be some opportunities, but just remember that it's lighter than expected trading volume. I want to wish everybody happy holidays. God bless, and keep safe and keep healthy. Thank you.